tell you about a person who changed my life with just an open door. He came in and cleared my life, gave me a purpose to open up your heart's door, and it could happen to you. Your life is empty and full of grief, as you most likely know. Jesus Christ can change that grief and your life of woe. Give him a chance, he can change your ways. Give him all he asks of you and start to live today. The only way that you can live is to invite him in. He made us so we can't find peace unless it's found through him. He gave the promise in his word that if we just believe, confess your sin unto the Lord, and him you may receive. You say you're looking for a purpose in life and something to really live for. Let me tell you about a person who changed my life with just an open door. He came in and cleared my life, gave me a purpose to open up your heart's door, and it could happen to you. Open up your heart's door, and it could happen to you. Open up your heart's door, and